Welcome again, students. I, Sonali Patil from Gokhale Education Society HL English Medium, Ozar Township. I am going to post videos of Maharashtra State Board English Medium subject Sanskrit. Last video we have learned Ke Kurvanti, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napusakalinga, Bahuvachan, Sarvanam. Now we will learn Dvau, Dve, Dve. Students, in English, in Marathi, in Hindi, all languages we have learned only Ekvachan or Bahuvachan. But in Sanskrit, Dvivachans mean dual also. In this video, we will learn Pullinga, Strilinga, Napusakalinga, Dvivachan. Dvau Pullinga Dvivachan, Dve for Strilinga Dvivachan, Dve for Napusakalinga Dvivachan. Eto means these two, tau means those two. Eto Shunako. Shunako means dogs. These are two dogs. Eto is Pullinga Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. Eto Khadatah. Khadatah is the verb Pratham Purush Dvivachan. These two are eating. Kau Khadatah. Kau is Prashnarthak Sarvanamasya Dvivachan means who are eating. Etau Shunako Khadatah. These two dogs are eating. Tau Balo. Tau is Tats Pullinga Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. Those who far away from us, for that we use Tau. Those are two boys. Tau Khelatah. Khelatah is the Pratham Purush Dvivachan verb. Khelatah means playing. Those two are playing. Kau Khelatah. Kau is the Prashnarthak Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. Who are playing? Tau Balo Khelatah. Those two boys are playing. Etat Strilinga Sarvanam Dvivachan. Te Tat Strilinga Sarvanam Dvivachan. Ete means these, te means those. These pronouns use only for Strilinga nouns. Ete Gaike. Gaike means singers, lady singer. These are two lady singers. Ete Gayatah. Gayatah is the verb Pratham Purush Dvivachan means sing. These two are singing. Ke Gayatah. Ke is the Kim Strilinga Prashnarthak Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. Who are singing? Ete Gaike Gayatah. These two lady singers are singing. Te Vidyarthanyo. Te is the Tat Strilinga Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. This pronoun is used only for feminine noun. Those who far away from us, for that use. Vidyarthanyo means students. Those are two girls students. Te Patatah. Patatah is the verb Pratham Purushi Dvivachan. Patatah means read. Those two are reading. Ke Patatah. Ke is the Kim Strilinga Prashnarthak Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. Who are reading? Te Vidyarthanyo Patatah. Those two girl students are reading. Now next part, ete te. This ete, etad napusakalinga sarvanam dvivachan. This pronoun is used only for neuter noun. Next, te. Te is the tad napusakalinga sarvanam dvivachan. This pronoun also is used only for neuter noun. Ete means this, te means those. Only used for neuter nouns. Ete vahane. Vahane means vehicles. These are two vehicles. Ete gachatah. Gachatah is the verb Pratham Purush Dvivachan means go. These two are going. Ke gachatah. Ke is the Kim Napusakalinga Sarvanamasya Dvivachan means what? What are going? Ete vahane gachatah. These two vehicles are going. Te pushpe. Te is the Tat Napusakalinga Sarvanamasya Dvivachan. Pushpe means flowers. Those are two flowers. Te Vikasatah. Vikasatah means blooming. Those two flowers are blooming. Ke vikasatah. Ke is किम नपुंसकलिंग सर्वनाम. द्विवचन means what? What are blooming? ते पुष्पे विकसतः. Those two flowers are blooming. Now lesson number 5. Aham tvam. Page number 12. अहम अस्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग एकवचन. त्वम युष्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग एकवचन. अहम means I, tvam means you. Student, one boy is there. He is telling his daily rites in Sanskrit. So let us see what he say. He say, Aham balakah asmi. I am a boy. Aham prabhate snanam karomi. Snanam means bath, prabhate means morning. I take bath in the morning. Aham madhyane shalam gacchami. Madhyane means afternoon, shala means school. I go to school at noon. Aham sayankale khelami. Sayankale means evening, khelami means play. I play in the evening. Aham ratro nidram karomi. Ratro means night, nidra means sleep. I sleep at night. Now next, one girl is tell to us her daily rites. Listen carefully. Aham balika asmi. Balika means girl. I am a girl. Aham pratarasham khadami. Pratarasham means breakfast. Khadami means eat. I eat breakfast. Aham prabhate shalam gacchami. Prabhate means morning. Shala means school. Gacchami means go. Aham means I. I go to school in the morning. Aham madhyane swadhyayam karomi. Madhyane means afternoon. Swadhyayam means homework. Karomi means do. I do my homework at noon. Aham sayankale geetam gayami. Sayankale means evening. Geetam means song. Gayami means sing. I sing a song in the evening. Students, in this part we learn aham. Aham means I. Aham gacchami. Aham pathami. Aham likhami. Aham gayami. Aham khadami. Aham khelami. Like that. Now we have learned tvam. Tvam means you. त्वम means युष्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग एकवचन. तीनही लिंगी समान. Students, in this part teacher and students conversation is in Sanskrit. Teacher asking to the question to the students in Sanskrit. Students also give the answer in Sanskrit. So students, let us see. शिक्षिका पृच्छति. Teacher asks, त्वं कुत्र वससि? Kutra means where. Vasasi means stay. Tvam means you. Where do you stay? Where do you live? Chhatrah vadati.
Aham Nasik Nagare Vasami.
Nasik Nagare means Nasik city. Vasami means stay. I stay in Nasik city. Shikshika pruchhati. Teacher asks, Tvam kada khelasi? Kada means when. Khelasi means play. When do you play? छात्रः उत्तरयति. Student give the answer.
अहं सायंकाले सपादसप्तवादने खेलामि.
सायंकाले means evening. सपादसप्तवादने means 7:15 or 7:15. खेलामि means play. I play at 7:15 in the evening. शिक्षिका पृच्छति. Teacher asks, तर्हि कदा अध्ययनं करोषि? Kada means when. Adhyayana means study. Koroshi means do. Tarhi means then. Then when do you study? Chhatrah vadati. Student give the answer.
रात्रौ 10वादनं पर्यन्तम् अध्ययनं करोमि.
Ratro means night. Dashavadanam parentam means 10 o'clock. Adhyanam means study. Karomi means do. I study till 10 o'clock at night. Shikshika vadati. Tvam samyak gayasi. Tvam means you. Samyak means well. Gayasi means sing. You sing well. Chitramapi sundaram alikhasi. Chitram means picture. Sundaram means beautiful. Alikasi means draw. Draw a beautiful picture also. Adhyanam api karoshi. Adhyanam means study. Karoshi means do. You do the study also. Satyameva tvam adarsha balakah. Satyam means really, truth. Adarsha means ideal. Balakah means boy. Really, you are an ideal boy. Students, in this way, by the conversation, we have learned tvam. All students should write in this part in classwork. Students, now we have learned avam, vayam, yuvam, yuyam. आवाम इति अस्मत्सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग द्विवचन. वयम इति अस्मत्सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग बहुवचन. आवाम means we both. Vayam means we all. See the first picture. In this picture, two boy students are there. They will say avam likhavah. We both are writing. Next picture, two girl students are there. They will also say avam likhavah. We both are writing. See the next picture, students. What we say? Avam khelavah. We both are playing. See the next picture, students. In this picture, two girls are eating. So what they will say? Avam khadavah. We both are eating. Next picture. In this picture, more than two students are there. Boys and girls together are there. So what they will say? Vayam likhamah. We all are writing. See next picture. In this picture, boys and girls are together are there. More than two are there. What they will say? Vayam khadamah. We all are eating. Next picture. In this picture, boys and girls are together running. So what they will say? Vayam dhavamah. We all are running. Next part. Tvam means you. Tvam iti युष्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग एकवचन. युवाम युष्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग द्विवचन. यूयम युष्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग बहुवचन. See that picture. In that picture, a boy has say in Sanskrit, Tvam khadasi. You are eating. Next, seen that girl, a boy has say, Tvam hasasi. You are laughing. Next picture, seen that girl, a boy has say, Tvam rodasi. You are crying. Next, seen that picture, a boy has say, Yuvam pashyatah. Both are watching. Next, seen that picture, a boy has said, a boy or girl, anyone, Yuvam pashyatah. Both are watching. यूयम युष्मत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग बहुवचन. यूयम means you all. Seen that picture, a boy will say यूयम पश्यत. You all are watching. यूयम खादथ. You all are eating. Now students, homework classwork. This page you are write in classwork. This page also you are write in classwork. This Bhashabhyas in homework. Next Bhashabhyas also in homework. This one also in homework. Now Shravanabhyasah. One story is there. The story name is Satyapriyah Kashtikah. Now student, listen that story carefully. एकः काष्टिकः काष्ठच्छेदनार्थं वनं गच्छति. अनवधानात् तस्य हस्तात् कुठारः जले पतति. सः चिन्ताकुलः भवति. तदा तत्र देवः आगच्छति. देवः जले मज्जति. सुवर्णकुठारं गृहीत्वा बहिः आगच्छति. सः वदति, अपि एषः तव कुठारः? काष्टिकः वदति, न एषः मम कुठारः. तदनन्तरं देवः रौप्यकुठारं दर्शयति. काष्टिकः तदपि न स्वीकरोति. अन्ते देवः लोहकुठारम् आनयति. काष्टिकः वदति, आम्, एषः एव मम कुठारः. प्रसन्नः देवः तस्मै सर्वान् कुठारान् यच्छति। अहो काष्टिकस्य निःस्पृहता सत्यप्रियता च।